Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send images in Character.ai mobile. For that you just have to launch your Character.ai application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on this Explore tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you will be able to see all of the characters with whom you can chat on Character.ai. So over here you just have to choose any of the characters with whom you want to send your images, and after selecting that character you will not be able to see any of the options that would allow you to send the images over here. Generally you see a plus icon in the bottom left hand corner, but as you can see over here that option is not in my account. It is because as of right now Character.ai has paused that option. It simply means that you cannot upload the images as of right now. So in this situation what you can do is you can simply chat with your character, and whenever that option is enabled on Character.ai you just have to tap on the plus tab in the bottom left hand corner, and from there you will be able to upload the images with your character. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.